The Air Force Civil Engineer Center has been looking at ways to combat extreme temperatures of shelters in expeditionary locations. They've set up what is known as a BEAR system, or a Basic Expeditionary Airfield Resources System, in order to come up with new ways to cool these shelters.
We've been working on energy efficient shelters and technologies to make expeditionary operations more energy efficient since about 2008. And this is the first phase of that project, which is to take the current state-of-the-art systems and bring them to a location in the AOR to get some real-world data in a more severe environment that we can really get in the States.
With advances in technology, it's only a matter of time before these shelters will be self-sustainable. But before that can happen, studies have to be done. As with any study, variables come into play.
We have different liner technologies. We're looking at different doors, vestibules, different ways to put a shade fly over the tent. Just like anything else, if you shade it, you keep the direct sunlight off, and it keeps that solar loading from getting into the tents. And one other thing we did, since we have to shade the tent anyway in order to get the cooling we need, we looked at putting solar panels on the shade fly. With the technology we have right now today, can generate about 5 kilowatts of power per shelter. So if you take that across the complete base, it's over a megawatt of power.
These types of shelter systems are of a newer production, but are not the focus of the tests. The technologies themselves are the key to finding newer, more improved ways to better suit service members and efficiently maximize the shelter's potential.
We're testing technologies. We're not testing individual shelter manufacturers, but the technologies to make any shelter efficient. The intent is to try to reduce the amount of fuel, thereby saving dollars, saving people's lives on convoy duty, and freeing up those assets to do actual operational missions. So it's both a cost savings, a fuel savings, and a saving lives.
From an undisclosed location in Southwest Asia, I'm Air Force Staff Sergeant Isaac Garden.